Alright, John Deere idler pulley, flat one. This is just a technique I'm going through to separate this so I can change out the bearing. It's got a 6203 in there. This one is not spot welded, so it's going to be a lot easier to work on. What I've been doing is going straight down on here with this pneumatic hammer. Kind of separating it right there, and then putting my weight on this piece of wood up here. Let's see if I can do this. Alright, and then my thought now is I'll go back with the direct punch and then punch them right out. We'll see how. Alright. Looks like we got one right here. And my thought is it should just pop it right out. Cool. Two. Then I'll just go back in there with regular rivets. That's what I noticed that some of the aftermarkets have. Alright, saves a little bit of money this way, especially if you have a 6203, which I do, bearing on hand. Alright, we got our 6203ZZ. It will go in there like that. We'll line it up and put some rivets. Got a good pulley. Alright, what I did, I noticed that you really couldn't see anything in the video. I took my rivets, which this was a better, much better fit. It is a low profile blind rivet, aluminum steel mandrel, diameter 3/16, drill size number 8, grip 1/16, 1/4. And so they had a much better pull to it, grip to it. I've got the 6203 ZZ bearing in there again, and then I used my rivet gun. I couldn't get the rivet gun in there, so what I did into that little groove, so I put 2 nuts up on here as spacers, and that allowed that to get a good bite there. And that's it. I saved a little bit of money that way and got a good idler pulley for a John Deere 48-inch deck.